subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has launched. The successor of last year launched OnePlus Nord CE 5G smartphone in India as OnePlus Nord CE to 5G with premium looking design. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus Nord CE to 5G features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it is HDR10 Plus certified, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the OnePlus Nord CE to 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with a 1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX471 sensor. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Oxygen OS 11 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 65W SuperVOOC fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.6 by 73.2 by 7.8mm, and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus Nord CE to 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 22nd in Bahama Blue and Grey mirror color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord CE to 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.